reach for pink when words aren't enough, when the page needs something true. It's not just a color, it's a feeling. It's a gentleness I give to you. Pink wraps around the broken places, softens every written line. When I need to show there's hope here, pink's a shade I choose every time. I write with pink when healing starts, when comfort needs a voice. It's a steady hand, a quiet strength. Pink's always been my choice. After all the darker ink has dried, when the soul needs room to breathe, pink reminds us we can be gentle and still be everything we need. Pink makes people happy, makes them smile without them knowing why. Something in its glow just reaches in, lights them up from the inside. When I put my pen to paper and let pink flow across the page, I'm giving them a piece of sunshine, a little break from all the way. I choose pink for the warmth it brings, for the joy that needs no words, for the spark that lights the heavy things, for the smile that's felt not heard. Pink lifts us up, pink holds us close. Pink's a color that matters most. Some might say it's soft, but I say bold. Doesn't apologize for being light. Pink doesn't shout to prove it's strong. It glows, and that alone feels right. Powerful in its own way, fearless without the fight. When I wanna show the soul it's possible, I always turn a pink's light. Pink makes people happy, makes them smile without them knowing why. Something in its glow just reaches in, lights them up from the inside. When I put my pen to paper and let pink flow across the page, I'm giving them a piece of sunshine, a little break from all the way. Like a new dawn on the paper, a fresh start in every stroke. Pink's the promise I keep writing. Pink's the color of hope.